Good morning, friends. Today we are going learn about the lesson land farms. Please visit Sadhana Social Lessons. The land on which we live is not uniform in size, shape, or height. In some places, it rises high to form hills and mountains with steep slopes. There are three main kinds of landforms: mountains, plateaus, and plains. Look for the Himalayas, Aravalis, Vindhyas, Satpura mountain ranges in a map of India. In our state too, Adilabad, Nirmal, Jagityal, Vikarabad, Mahbubnagar, Nagar Karnool, Peddapalli, Bhadradri and Jaishankar district have stretches of hills. These are Satmala range in Adilabad, Nirmal, Balaghat range in Mahbubnagar, Nagar Karnool, Anantagiri hills in Vikarabad, Kandikal in Peddapalli and Jaishankar, and Rocky hills in Jagityal district. Plateaus are also high lands, uneven with ups and downs, but not as steep as in the mountains. The Deccan Plateau is the largest plateau in India. The Deccan Plateau has on the west known as the Western Ghats. The Telangana Plateau is itself a part of the Deccan Plateau. The plains, on the other hand, are level lands with gentle slopes. They are formed by the deposition of silt by great rivers, the Indus and the Ganga rivers. Together, the two large plains are called Indo-Gangetic plains. Eastern coastal plains are on the eastern side of India along the Bay of Bengal. Large portion of states like Tamil Nadu, Andhra Pradesh, Odisha and West Bengal fall in it. On the western side of India is the western coastal plains. The physical surface features of the land like mountains, plateaus and plains etc. are called relief features. The twin cities Hyderabad and Secunderabad cities Sangareddy, Mahbubnagar and Nalgonda towns are located on the upper Telangana plateau, while Warangal and Karimnagar towns are on the lower Telangana plateau. Delta. The two main rivers of Telangana, the Godavari and the Krishna. These rivers are joined by many small rivers. Finally flow into the Bay of Bengal after forming large deltas. It usually forms a triangle. Thank you very much.